Hello everyone, Mr. Stevens here with another lesson on different ways of organizing data. Today we're going to be looking at frequency tables and a couple of different forms that they can take. Let's look at this one first, what's called a grouped frequency table. You'll see exactly what that means as we get into the example, but basically it's a frequency table quite like what you would normally see with tallies and frequencies. But instead of having single digits entered here, you actually have a range. So 0 to 4, 5 to 9, and so on. So let's look at that here. Let's make one. So let's put in some groups. And 30 to 34, I think is our last range. So now we go through and we count every number in the first group and add a tally every time we come across one. And then the frequency is 12. And now we move down to the next group, 5 to 9. Do the same thing, fill in the tally. Keep going. Only 2 there. 15 to 19, I think there's only 1 here. 20 to 24, we've got 2 there. 25 to 29, just the 1. And in our last group, there is 3, 4. So that's a grouped frequency table. Cumulative frequency is another type of frequency table you'll see. It works the same as all the others, where you've got a tally and a frequency, except over here you have a cumulative frequency. So say if you had 1, 4, 7, 3, something like that here, the cumulative frequency then just adds up all these scores. So initially it's 1, then it's 1 plus 4, then it's 5 plus 7, then it's 12 plus 3, so on and so forth. So here's an example of that. 18, the score is 1. This number plus this number is 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 5, plus 3. So that's how a cumulative frequency works. Okay, there will be questions 1 and 2 from both of these exercises will be attached below this lesson. What these questions are is basically just filling in tables. So you're given a table which will have some data in it here. And you're asked to fill in this column. So what I'm happy for you to do is I'm happy for you to just open up the PDF and just add a text box here, write in the number, add a text box here, write in the number, rather than having to draw everything up in your books. Although if you want to have it in your books for the sake of completeness, that's fine as well. Thanks guys.